Hey guys, in this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you how to fix DNS errors in Squarespace and connect a Canva website to a Squarespace domain, fast and easy. First, log into your Squarespace account and go to Settings and then Domains. Click the domain status. If you see a DNS error, click Advanced Settings to view the records. Make sure your records and a CNAME records match Squarespace requirements. Next, go to Canva and open your website project. Click Publish, Custom Domain, and enter your Squarespace domain. Canva will provide the necessary DNS records to update in Squarespace. Go back to Squarespace and add or edit the records exactly as Canva specifies. Once the DNS updates propagate, usually within a few hours, your Canva site will be live on your Squarespace domain. And that's it, your DNS error is fixed and your Canva website is connected to Squarespace. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 web tutorials.